Hey guys, it's me Caleb. I'm just doing a little update for my channel here. It's already 2019, we're already in the second week of 2019, so I'm a little bit behind on getting some videos out, but just wanted to talk a little bit about my goals for this channel this year. Obviously I've got a nice little green screen that I set up so I can do some more advanced kind of green screen technology on my channel. I'm going to keep doing real estate videos for you guys. I think the market's going to be very interesting here in the Colorado area as 2019 comes along, and I want to do more interviews with different kinds of contractors, home inspectors, plumbers, just to give more information to you guys about the process of buying and selling here in Colorado. I'll also keep doing gear reviews for my survival junk site, so I've got some cool gear coming up to review on that. And I've also started doing flood insurance last year, so I'm going to do more informational videos about insurance. I'm sure there will still be random videos that I do as well, just taking walks, doing wildlife kind of stuff, taking pictures of the deer out in the backyard, whatever. But as far as channel goals for this year, I think it's always good to have some goals. So I'd like to up my subscriber count to 500. I think I can get that this year. I'm going to try to crank out at least one video a week. The real plan would be to do at least double that, but you know, it's hard when you are doing a day job too, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, to subscribers that are here, thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like what I have to offer, share it, make sure your friends subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.